Students, now question number 3 from practice set 3.4. The question is, Sachin invested in a national savings certificate scheme. In the first year, he invested 5,000 rupees. In the second year, 7,000 rupees. In the third year, 9,000 rupees, and so on. Find the total amount that he invested in 12 years. Okay. Now students, Sachin invested in savings scheme and first year he invested 5,000, second year 7,000, third year 9,000 and so on. So if you observe his investments, you can see that 5,000 plus 2,000, 7,000. 7,000 plus 2,000, 9,000. That means every year his investment increases by 2,000 rupees. And this increase is constant for every year. Okay. That means his investment is in AP because it is constant increase 2,000 rupees. Okay. So first we will write that statement. Sachin's investment are in AP with common difference $2,000. Okay. His investment are in AP. That's why we can apply arithmetic progression to solve this problem. Okay. So let here we will write given A means the first investment which is equal to 5,000 rupees. D means the common difference that we already calculated 2,000 rupees. How many years he invested? 12 years. That means N is equal to 12. Okay. Now what we have to find out? Total amount that he invested in 12 years. So this word is important. Total amount. As I told you in first example also, if we want to find out total, then we have to apply SN formula. Okay. Now here we have to find total investment in 12 years. Means we have to find out S12 equal to question mark. Okay. So we know SN formula. SN is equal to N upon 2 into bracket 2A plus bracket N minus 1 bracket close into D close bracket. We have to find out S12. So N is equal to 12 upon 2. 2 into A equal to 5,000 plus N equal to 12 minus 1 into D is equal to 2,000. Close the bracket. S12, therefore S12 is equal to 12 divided by 2, 6. 2 multiplied by 5,000, 10,000. Plus 12 minus 1, 11 into 2,000. Close the bracket. Therefore, S12 is equal to 6 into bracket 10,000 plus 11 into 2,000, 22,000. Therefore, S12 is equal to 6 into 10,000 plus 22,000. We will get 32,000. Now we have to multiply this. First we will write these 3 zeros. Now we will multiply by 6. 6 2s are 12, carry 1. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. That means here we will get answer 1,92,000. Okay. So his total saving in 12 years is 1,92,000 rupees. So according to question we will write the answer. The question is find the total amount that he invested in 12 years. So the total amount that he invested in 12 years is 1,92,000 rupees. Understood?